Here is a 42-inch white Heritage Alexsis hugger ceiling fan. It's got 3 lights, 4 blades. I installed it here in my garage along with the Minuet 2 right there. Already made a video of the other fan. So here's this fan. Just installed it yesterday. Oh, and by the way, happy Easter to everybody out there. Anyway, so I'll show you the light. It's got these 2 yellowed out pull chains on it. Got it from Habitat last October for about $20. It's got bleached oak blades on the reverse side. Yeah, it came with these yellowed out pull chains. My mom thinks they're ugly, but I think they look good on there. Anyway, so start it up on low speed. So I did take this ceiling fan out of my room and put up that antique brass stencil bladed universal hugger ceiling fan in its place. So I put this fan up in the garage. And then medium. It does have a small motor in it. I think it might actually be smaller than the Minuet 2's motor, possibly. And then here's high speed. Yeah, it's blowing a lot of air. For a hugger ceiling fan, it does a pretty good job. There's the light again. And shut it off. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.